Everyone thinks the best-selling string trimmer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Black & Decker 2-in-1 Trimmer. Let's kick things off with the Black & Decker Weed Walker. Priced at just $55, this corded electric trimmer caught my eye because it offers a 2-in-1 function that allows you to switch between trimming and edging seamlessly. If you want a reliable tool that simplifies yard work, this is worth a serious look. The 6.5 amp motor means it can handle tough weeds and thick grass with a cutting width of 14 inches, which gets the job done fast. You won't have to waste time bumping for line feed either, as its automatic feed spool technology takes care of that. The lightweight design at just 6.3 pounds makes it easy to maneuver, while the adjustable handle ensures comfort during prolonged use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have a medium-sized yard, this tool helps you finish quickly without breaking a sweat. Now, some people complained about the cord being a hassle. Here's the thing though, if you have a manageable yard size, the power and reliability of this trimmer definitely outweigh any inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable electric trimmer without the fuss of gas. Skip this one if you prefer the freedom of cordless operation. Now, if the corded nature bothered you, the next product offers a totally different approach.
Product number 2, Hind Pro Cordless String Trimmer. At around $54, this one is designed for those who already own DeWalt batteries, making it a great addition for professionals. If you want flexibility and power in a cordless model, this one deserves your attention. The Hind Pro trimmer has a no-load speed of up to 8,500 RPM, ensuring you can tackle your yard effectively. It also features a 3-in-1 design, allowing you to switch to a wheeled edger or mini lawnmower with ease. This is handy for trimming around flower beds or edging sidewalks without needing multiple tools. The automatic feed system ensures you won't have to deal with manual adjustments, keeping your workflows smooth. Here's why this matters. If you're looking to get your yard work done quickly and efficiently, the upgrade in design makes it easier than ever. However, some buyers noted that it didn't come with the battery and charger. Here's the thing, if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, this won't be a deal breaker, but it might be inconvenient for new users. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, easy-to-handle trimmer for various tasks. Skip this one if you aren't already invested in DeWalt batteries. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for small lawns.
Product number 3, Black & Decker 3-in-1 Combo. Let's talk about the Black & Decker Electric Lawnmower, Weed Eater, and Edger Combo. Priced at $69, this product offers a versatile solution for anyone with a small lawn. If you want an all-in-one tool for mowing and trimming, this is worth considering. With its 6.5 amp motor, it delivers solid performance while keeping things lightweight at 9.9 pounds. The 12-inch cutting width is perfect for navigating tight spaces, and the automatic feed spool system means less hassle for you. This is great for small to medium-sized lawns, where maneuverability is key. The ability to switch between mowing, trimming, and edging gives you maximum flexibility, making it easier to maintain your yard without needing multiple tools. But some users mention that it might struggle with very thick grass. Here's the thing though, for average lawn conditions, this tool performs well and is super easy to use. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller lawn and want to simplify your yard work. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty power for larger areas. Now, if you're looking for battery power and a bit more versatility, check out our next product.
Product number 4, Black & Decker Cordless 3-in-1 Combo. The Black & Decker Weed Eater, Lawn Edger, and Cordless Lawnmower Combo. At $169, this one comes with 2 batteries, making it an attractive option for those who want a versatile tool for various tasks. If you're after a combo that offers both trimming and mowing without the hassle of cords, this is a serious contender. This unit has a removable wheeled deck that lets you quickly switch to a lawnmower, making it perfect for small yards with tough-to-reach areas. Its automatic feed spool eliminates interruptions, so you can keep working without fiddling with line adjustments. The adjustable height and customizable settings ensure you get the perfect cut, which is essential for maintaining a neat lawn. Here's why this matters. If you want a multifunctional tool that adapts to different tasks, this combo does that exceptionally well. However, some users found it a bit heavy at 9.9 pounds. Here's the thing, while it might be heavier, the performance and versatility it offers make it a worthwhile investment for many. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable combo tool that can handle various lawn tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. Now, if you're really focused on weight and ease of use, the next one might catch your interest.
Product number 5. Good Job 20V Cordless Weed Whacker. Priced at $64.99, this ultra lightweight option weighs just 3.5 pounds, making it perfect for anyone who wants to avoid fatigue while working in the yard. If you're looking for a lightweight yet powerful trimmer, this is a fantastic choice. The dual batteries provide up to 60 minutes of continuous runtime, so you can get your yard done without needing a break. It features a 12-inch cutting width and an automatic feed system, which means no bumping is needed. The 180-degree pivoting head allows you to trim at different angles easily, ideal for tight corners or under fences. This is great for those who want efficiency without sacrificing comfort. However, some people mention that the battery life could vary depending on usage. Here's the thing. For average yard tasks, the runtime is still quite decent, especially with 2 batteries. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight trimmer that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you have a larger yard that requires more heavy-duty power. To wrap it up, we've seen a range of options from corded to cordless, lightweight to powerful, and multifunctional tools. It really comes down to your specific needs and yard size.
We've seen a range of options from corded to cordless, lightweight to powerful, and multifunctional tools. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 is great for traditional tasks, while Hein Pro offers flexibility for DeWalt users. The Black & Decker 3-in-1 combo is perfect for small lawns, and the cordless model provides versatility. Finally, Good Job's model is fantastic for those who prioritize weight. It really comes down to your specific needs and yard size. Happy trimming!